This is the wishing well. Throw a spiritual coin, then make your daily wish. Welcome to the Chinese Zodiac. Thank you for joining us. Let us help you to find balance and peace of mind. Greetings. Relax as we forecast the Rooster. On day 10 of this month. Now for your Chen tongue, or Chinese fortune sticks. These sticks are one of the most ancient forms of prediction, used for centuries in Taoist and Buddhist temples. Make a wish. Keep it focused in your mind. Now let's see what the fates have in store for you today. Your Chen tongue number for today is number 30. Someone is looking for revenge for an imagined slight. This is your rolling 10-day forecast. There are fun moments, activities awaiting you for a wonderful month. For your daily element, this relates to your horoscope animal. Different elements can affect your personal characteristics for the day. The water rooster, known for being tender, perfectionistic and gentle. Water roosters have issues with being absent-minded, childish and possessive. At their core, they wish they could worry less. Until next time, we wish you luck and prosperity. If you liked this content, please hit the subscribe button, and tell your friends. Our team relies on good people like yourself to help our channel grow.